Sure, guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So we are back with another album review. So today is a new artist, I think Afro Pop, igama lakhe uNomakhosini. So ikhona ingoma artist yaphuma eyayisingile eradweni esangifuni ngami ihambisana nomnqobi yazo. So 2 weeks ago ukhiphe i-EP inengoma ezu7. So ngilalele Speaker Now because ingoma yakhe lana I think ilendile abantu abaningi bayithandile, so nami nginike isikhathi ukuthi ngithi wenze follow up because there's also another song bikade iphume under i-YouTube channel ka Amos abayenzile bobabili. So mase ngilandelela ukuthi ubone okay bathi ibelonga ku-EP yakhe because ikhona EP yakhe, so yenye ingoma le abayenzile leyo bobo2. So and I think lo mntwana lona she's here to stay because une talent and ingoma zakhe zenza sense like indlela nje aka vocal, even le ngoma engikhuluma ngayo indlela ebhalwe ngayo because ngithe mangilalela ngathi no I think uzo last kwe game. So Speaker Now sithatha simnikeze i-chance. So igama lale ngoma ibizwa ngomusa la, konke kwenzeka ngomusa nje, ingoma nje emnandi deep ine meaning right. So ngithe mangilalela ngizothi I don't think eMzansi samnikeza uAmos ama credits akhe because umjito uNtswempe ngawo songwriting and uNtswempe nakwi delivery. So le ngoma nje ithe ukuba nalo shunu wepiano but ipholile like ngayifaka under icategory yeAfro pop noma iAfro soul. So imnandi nje kakhulu. There's also another song akayenzile ngithande kakhulu, uyenzile umzukulu siyamazi artist lamaskandi elingaconsi phansi kubantu abaningi because zonke ingoma akathinta ziba ama hit. So khona ingoma bayenzile lapana ethi ukuhlukana. So I think lo ngoma izoba big kakhulu ku TikTok because nayo futhi nomlayezo oyisimanga. So I know I think ufikile ugalelekile lo mntwana. So EP yakhe I wish mhlambe ngaba nengoma eningi because it's only an EP. Mhlambe usazizwe i-taste khona okuza but I think indlela bamphusha ngayo, indlela aka supportwe ngayo I think uyafaka because there's also another song akayenzile nomunye producer odume kakhulu eLimpopo Mr Brown. Lo ngoma ibizwa ngoDali-ke. Mina ke mangithe mangilalela le EP It Is My Song yona ngoma engizwa kakhulu leyo because Mr Brown ngiyamazi when it comes to production akaze shaya eceleni. So leyo ngoma leyo I think izoba big nayo futhi izohamba kakhulu because i-production yayo, but there's a song akayenzile different kakhulu nalezi ezinye ingoma le ibizwa ngomalume. So ngithe mangilalela le ngothi okay I think le ithathe le sound yaseLimpopo le ibizwa ngeLikompo lo. So leyo ngoma kumalume lo ithathe le sound ngale. So I think nabantu bangale eLimpopo because bane wave yabo and i-big yahamba ngale ndlela. So I think leyo ngoma le angisho ukuthi i-EP yonke bayihlalele phansi bayiplana. So bafuna mhlawumbe ukuthi ifithe kuyona undi emarkets because ziwu2 ingoma ezinomzukulu. So bafuna ukuthepha kulo market kaMaskandi bese kuba ile ngoma le eneLikompo. So bafuna ukuthepha kule sound yaseLimpopo but futhi bafuna ukuthepha na kwipiano because bathatha uAmos bamfaka la. So I think abantu abamanageayo, abantu abamphushayo lo mntwana I know bayazi ukuthi abayenza because already le ngoma enomnqobi yazo ithe umenzile igama ingenile eradweni yangena kuma charts and nakuma streams yenza manga kakhulu. So nje ingoma enkulu kakhulu because sizashuthela nale video. So I think ikhona into ekhona Nomakhosini ya watch that name angimazi ukuthi wakuphi but no I think uNtswempe kakhulu I think uzoba big. I think uzohlala ku game akazili mhlawumbe ukuthi uzovela nje sibuye kancane. I think uzohlala nje. So i-EP yakhe ingoma zikho ningi zu7. I think mina ngamnikeza u10 out of 10 because zonke ingoma zimnandi, ayikho ingoma eyimisi. I feel like khona ingoma engikhohlwa e1 ekade ngilalile yangithinda na I think ile no music video. Okay, uma ngithanda ungitshele. So that's also another song enomzukulu engilalelile nayo. So leyo ngoma leyo ikhuluma ngalabo osisi labangafuna ukuthi ke benza ama move la ukuthi umjide la kuma uthi mhlawumbe nawe umuntu wesifazana khona umjide omfilayo mamthanda ukuthi ungamtshela abantu besifazana bekho good ngasekusheleni bavele nje benza into ebhekele but ingoma ekhuluma ngalo mlayezo khona ku Spotify khona ku YouTube khona everywhere. So I think abantu bazothatha isikhathi sabo beyilalele and I think abantu abaningi bazo enjoy but mina ingoma engithande kakhulu ialbum uDali namanje I think yona ingoma emile ngidownload because no leyo ngiyidinga efonini yami because izwenza manje uMr Brown ku production akaze ke ngiphoxe mina. So anyway sekhona ku Speaker Nawe ku Twitter @Speaker Nawe, ku Instagram Speaker Nawe, na ku TikTok Speaker Nawe, ku Facebook isikhona ila active khona kakhulu Speaker Nawe. Awe we out.